to Skybroking Equity Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult your financial advisor. Now let's see the fundamental analysis. Checking out the global cues, COVID has returned with a bang, with Europe at the epicenter, but the focus is now switching to South Africa as the new Omicron variant has everyone fretting about whether another terrible wave is going to hit this winter. As far as central banks are concerned, the timing couldn't be worse. They are already trying to navigate their pandemic exit strategies earlier than they would clearly prefer, as inflationary pressures continue to rise and become more widespread. If the world goes back into the lockdown, what will become the bigger priority? Either inflation or the economy. Now looking into the domestic cues, emerging markets will suffer in the race to safety over concerns surrounding the new virus mutation and whether it is the next Delta. Indian equities have been sold heavily, and both they and the rupee may be in the firing line if WHO guidance is negative over the weekend. The evolution of the virus situation will set the direction for the Indians and most emerging markets next week. So these are this week's fundamental analysis. Let's look into the technical analysis. Nifty may expect a support near 16,882 levels, and if it closes below 16,882 means sell-off rally will continue. Bank Nifty may expect a support near 35,409 levels, and if it closes below 35,409 means sell-off rally will continue. So these are this week's technical analysis. Now let's move on to the derivative analysis. Based on the option chain analysis, highest open interest for call side is 17,500 strike, and for the put side is 17,000 strike. Overall 500 points band, and the expiry is on 2nd December. According to the PCR analysis, Nifty PCR OI has decreased with the Nifty negative close, and when compared with the previous week, which shows huge call writing. India VX has settled in 20.8, and when compared with the previous week, it had ended with a high, which shows increasing the volatility. So these are this week's derivative analysis. Now let's check out the recommendations. Coming to the cash corner, buy Cadila Healthcare near 470, the target is 490 with a stop loss 451. Buy Relaxo above 1320, the target is 1385 with a stop loss 1260. Coming to the F&O corner, buy Nifty Future near 16,890, the target is 16,940 with a stop loss 16,840. Based on the option strategy, long strangle buy Nifty 17,050 call option near 128 and 17,050 put option near 202. 2nd December will be the expiry, and the total buy premium is 330. The target is 430 with a stop loss 230. Looking into the institutional activity, based on the previous week, the FII net sellers were minus 21,124.95 crores, and for the November month, the FII net sellers are minus 31,124.46 crores. Based on the previous week, the DII net buyers were 10,934.76 crores, and for the November month, the DII net buyers are 20,598.63 crores. So these are this week's Equity Weekly Market Commentary. For more market updates, join our Telegram channel and the YouTube channel. Thank you by Skybroking.